In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Adspower account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to complete the process confidently without any confusion. First, open the Adspower website or the official mobile app. Your starting point is the Sign Up or Register button. On a desktop site, this is usually sitting at the top right corner of the homepage. If you're already on a login screen, look for a smaller link or button that says Sign Up or Register near the login fields. On mobile, it might appear at the top of the screen, in a menu, or below the login form. If you don't see it immediately, try opening the main menu or looking for alternatives like Create Account or Get Started. Interfaces can change slightly over time, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the option that starts the account creation process. Once you've found it, pause for a moment to review the terms and conditions. This is an important part of any account setup because it explains what the service provides, how your data is handled, and what responsibilities you agree to when using the platform. If you're short on time, at least scan key sections related to data usage, acceptable use, and account management. Many platforms also link to a privacy policy alongside the terms, which can give you more details about data handling and permissions. Taking a minute here can prevent surprises later. After you've read the terms and conditions, tick the checkbox indicating that you agree. This box is often required, and you may notice that the Sign Up button stays inactive until it's checked. When you're ready, click Sign Up to finish. If the button doesn't respond, make sure your internet connection is stable. Confirm the page has fully loaded and try a quick refresh. Also, keep an eye out for any small notices or pop-up prompts that might need your attention before the sign-up completes. That's it. You now have an Adspower account and can log in. Head back to the login option and access your dashboard. If you plan to use the account regularly, consider bookmarking the login page or keeping the app handy on your home screen for faster access next time. And remember to keep your login information secure and private. To recap, you found the Sign Up or Register button, reviewed the terms and conditions, ticked the agreement box, and selected Sign Up. With those steps done, your Adspower account is ready to use. If anything on the interface looks different, follow the same logic and wording, and you'll get through smoothly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new account.